teaching you all how to use different array methods. In this video, I'll be covering the first 4 methods, which are push, pop, shift, and unshift. Okay, consider we have an array of fruits. Currently, it has 3 elements in it. Okay, so how do we use the push method, and what does push method do? So push method will just append another element into this array and give you another new array with 4 elements in it. So to use the push method, you have to write down the array name and let's say dot push and just pass the element which you want to push. For now, I'll be pushing pineapple. Now let's console log this new fruits array and check. Now if I run this code, in here you can see there are now 4 elements in this array. Similar way we can push more one element and check x, y, z. Run this. Now you can see there are 5 elements. Okay, so this was the push method. Now let's take a look at the pop method. Similar way, just like push, you have to write down the array name, then say dot pop. So in here you don't have to pass any argument because pop method will always remove the topmost element, the rightmost element from this array. So when you say pop and when you say console log, let me just clear this. Now when I run this, you can see there are only 2 elements left because the key was removed. The method pop actually returns the element which is being removed so that you can use it for other purpose. Let's store it for now. Popped element. And let's console log this. Now run this. Now you can see the popped element is kiwi. So this is the way how you use the pop method. Now let's use shift method. Okay, this shift method is used to remove the first element from the array. Like pop method is removed to use the last element or the topmost element, shift method removes the first element. So now if you say fruits dot shift, there are no arguments passed in this function, and if you console.log fruits, now if I run this function, it has removed the first element from this array, apple. So that's how the shift method works. It just removes the first element. You can keep applying the shift method to remove all the elements one after one, and it will keep removing it. Okay. Now let's go to Unshift method. Okay, so the Unshift method is used to place an element at the first index. For example, what if I wanted to push pineapple just before this apple? So I'll be using Unshift method and passing the argument pineapple. Now if I run this code, you can see that it has pushed the first element as pineapple. So basically, push appends the element to the end of the array, and unshift appends the element at the first of the array. Similar way for pop and shift, they are pop method removes the last element and the shift method removes the first element. Here that was it for this tutorial. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more JavaScript videos for y'all, so stay tuned. Thank you.